Hey, what's up, high levelers? If you didn't know, sending emails with countdown timers to iOS devices on iOS 15 or newer can be problematic because of Apple's freezing of content whenever they're received on Apple devices through platforms like iCloud. Now, this is really niche and specific, but GoHighLevel has made a fix for this, which allows you to hide countdown timers from Apple devices. Let me show you how it works. Now, to show you why this is important, let's say we have this email here that we are sending to our customers, and we know some of them have iCloud emails or they're going to be using them on iCloud devices. Well, right now we have this email opened up in our iCloud account. We sent a test to our mail, and this is the case for Apple like Mac computers as well as iOS devices like cell phones. So whether they're looking at this on their iPhone or their computer, you can see the countdown timer is frozen. The countdown timers will sometimes work, and there will be maybe a delay between when they start to work and then when they stop working. But typically after a few seconds or a few minutes, the countdown timers will stop working and freeze because Apple devices with iOS 15 or newer, and just because of Apple's iCloud mailing system, freezes email content upon opening. You can see here I have that test email with that countdown timer and it's not moving. This is on an iPhone on iOS 15 and newer. So that's just an example of it not working. Now, to fix this for our countdown timers, if we just go to Marketing Countdown Timers and we go to Edit our countdown timer, we can fix this pretty easily by just clicking Styling, scrolling down, and then we'll see Hide Timer in Apple Mail. We can turn that on and click Save. So that will fix that problem. So now in emails, whenever this is included and sent through Apple Mail, it will not show on iOS devices and in the Apple Mail app. It's pretty straightforward, and just so you know, whenever you create a countdown timer, this will automatically be on. So if you are making email campaigns and you're including countdown timers and you're wondering why they're not showing on Apple devices, then that's why. This is going to be included, toggled on by default. Don't want to use that and you want to take the risk of it freezing occasionally on customers' phones, you can check it off. And if you want to leave it on, then you can leave it on. This is pretty straightforward, but if you have any questions, refer to the rest of the help doc or leave a comment, and thank you for watching.